are going to learn 8th Standard Mathematics, Chapter 16, Volumes and Surface Areas, Topic, Area and Volume of a Cylinder. Topics covered: Area and Volume of a Cylinder, Example and Exercise Problems. Already we are familiar with the shape of a cylinder. A gas cylinder, tumbler or some examples of a cylinder. A cylinder is a solid with a uniform cross sections and a curved lateral surface. A cylinder has three faces, one curved face and two flat faces. It has two curved edges. It has no vertex. Let's see some formulas. To finding curved surface area of a cylinder equal 2 pi r h. To finding total surface area of a cylinder equal 2 pi r into h plus r. To finding volume of a cylinder equal pi r square h. Let's see example sum. The radius and height of a cylinder are 14 cm and 51 cm respectively. Find the volume, curved surface area and total surface area of the cylinder. Solution: here radius and height of the cylinders are given 14 cm and 51 cm. Now we are going to find volume, curved surface area and total surface area of the cylinder. Let's see volume of the cylinder. The formula is pi r square h. The value of pi is 22 by 7 into r square. So 14 into 14 into h value is 51 centimeter cube. Here the common factor is 7. So we can divide both 14 and 7 by 7. Next we should multiply all the remaining numbers. 22 into 2 into 14 into 51. We will get 31,416 centimeter cube. Volume of a cylinder is measured in cubic units. So centimeter cube. Let's see curved surface area of the cylinder. The formula is 2 pi r h. 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r value is 14 into h value is 51 centimeter square. Here the common factor is 7. We can divide both 14 and 7 by 7. We will get 4,488 centimeter square. Area is measured in square units. So centimeter square. Let's see total surface area of the cylinder. The formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 plus 51 centimeter square. Here the common factor is 7. We can divide both 14 and 7 by 7. We will get 5,720 centimeter square. Area is measured in square units. So 5,720 centimeter square. Example 3. The curved surface area of a cylinder is 1,320 centimeter square and its volume is 2,640 centimeter cube. Find its height. Solution: we have curved surface area of the cylinder equal 2 pi r h equal 1,320 centimeter square. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h equal 2,640 centimeter cube. Before to find height, first we should find radius using these formulas. Let's see how to find radius. Pi r square h by 2 pi r h equal 2,640 divided by 1,320. In LHS, h and h gets cancelled out. pi and pi also gets cancelled out. R and 1R gets cancelled out. Remaining in LHS, R by 2 equal in RHS 2 by 1. So R equal 4 centimeter by cross multiplication. Also we have pi R square H equal 2640 centimeter cube. By value is 22 by 7 into R value is 4 R square. So 4 into 4 into H equal 2640. H equal 2640 into 7 by 4 into 4 into 22. Here we have common factor. The common factor is 4. 1 4 is 4. 6 4s are 24. Balance 2. 24. 6 4s are 24. 0. Again we have common factor. 122 is 22. 3 22s are 66. 0. So 30 into 7 divided by 4 equal 110 divided by 4. We will get 52.5 centimeter.
Exercise 16.3. Diameters of two cylinders are in the ratio of 2:3. Find the ratio of their heights if their volume is same. Given the ratio of the diameters equal 2:3. Let's find the ratio of the radius of two cylinders. Diameter D equal 2:3. So, D1 by D2 equal 2 by 3. Diameter D equal 2 into radius. So, D1 by D2 equal 2R1 by 2R2 equal 2 by 3. Here 2 and 2 gets cancelled out. So, R1 by R2 equal 2 by 3. Let the radius of the two cylinder be 2x and 3x. Let the height of the cylinder be h1 and h2. Given the volume of two cylinders are same. So, volume of cylinder 1 equal volume of cylinder 2. Formula for finding volume of cylinder 1 is pi R1 square H1 equal. Formula for finding volume of cylinder 2 is pi R2 square H2. Radius in cylinder 1 is 2x and cylinder 2 is 3x. So, pi into 2x whole square H1 equal pi into 3x whole square H2. Here pi and pi gets cancelled out. 2x whole square mean 4x square. H1 equal 3x whole square mean 9x square. H2. So, H1 by H2 equal 9x square by 4x square. Here x square and x square gets cancelled out. H1 by H2 equal 9 by 4. H1 is to H2 equal 9:4. So, the ratio of their heights is 9:4.
The radius of two right circular cylinders are in the ratio of 2:3 and their heights are in the ratio of 5:4. Calculate the ratio of their volumes. Given the ratio of the radius equal 2:3. The ratio of the heights equal 5:4. Let the radius of the cylinder be 2x and 3x. The heights of the cylinder be 5y and 4y. we need to find ratio of their volumes. So, volume of cylinder 1 by volume of cylinder 2 equal pi R1 square H1 by R2 square H2 by into substitute R1 and H1 values in numerator and substitute R2 and H2 values in denominator. So, pi into 2x whole square into 5y divided by pi into 3x whole square into 4y. Here, by and by is common. So, gets cancelled out. 2 square 4. 4x square into 5y divided by 3 square 9. 9x square into 4y. First, x square and x square gets cancelled out. Y and y also gets cancelled out. 4 and 4 also gets cancelled out. Remaining in numerator and denominator 5 by 9. The ratio is 5:9. So, ratio of their volumes equal 5:9. Next, a cylinder is made of a rectangular sheet whose length and breadth are 44 cm and 18 cm respectively. By rolling it along its length, find the volume of the cylinder. Given length equal 44 cm and breadth equal 18 cm. A cylinder is made of a rectangular sheet by rolling it along its length. So, circumference of the cylinder equal 44 cm and height equal 18 cm. We need to find a radius using this. So, 2 pi r equal 44 cm. 2 into by value is 22 by 7 into r equal 44 cm. We need to find radius. So, r in LHS 2 and 22 by 7 goes to RHS. So, r equal 44 into 22 by 7 change into 7 by 22 into 2 by 1 change into 1 by 2. Here the common factor is 22. So we can divide both 44 and 22 by 22. 122 is 22. 2 22s are 44. 2 and 2 gets cancelled out. R value is 7 cm. We need to find volume of the cylinder. The formula is by R square H. By value is 22 by 7 into R value is 7 into 7 into H value is 18. So 7 and 7 gets cancelled out. We will get 2772 centimeter cube. Volume of the cylinder is 2772 centimeter cube. Next, the volume of a cylinder is 6358 centimeter cube and its height is 28 centimeter. Find its radius and the curved surface area. Solution: given height equal 28 centimeter and volume of a cylinder equal 6358 centimeter cube. By R square H equal 6358 centimeter cube. By value is 22 by 7 into R square into 28 equal 6358 centimeter cube. Here the common factor is 7. So 1 7 is 7, 4 7s are 28. R square equal 6358 divided by 22 into 4. R square equal 72.25. We need to find R value. So R equal square root of 72.25. R equal 8.5 centimeter. Let's see how to find curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area equal 2 pi on h equal 2 into by value is 22 by 7 into r value is 8.5 into h value is 28. Here the common factor is 7. 1 7 is 7. 4 7s are 28. So, curved surface area equal 1496 centimeter square. Let's see one more problem. A cube of copper of edge 11 centimeter is melted and formed into a cylindrical wire of diameter 0.5 centimeter. What length of wire will be obtained from the cube? Solution. Edge is given. So, edge equal 11 centimeter. We need to find volume of cube. The formula is A cube. A into A into A. So, 11 into 11 into 11 centimeter cube. Given diameter equal 0.5 centimeter. We should convert the diameter into radius. So, radius equal 0.5 divided by 2 equal 0.25 centimeter. Volume of cylinder equal by r square h equal 22 by 7 into 0.25 into 0.25 into h centimeter cube. Here a cube of copper is melted and formed into a cylindrical wire. So, volume of cube equal volume of cylinder. Volume of a cube equal volume of a cylinder. So, 11 into 11 into 11 equal 22 by 7 into 0.25 into 0.25 into h. So, h equal 11 into 11 into 11 into 7 divided by 22 into 0.25 into 0.25. Here the common factor is 11. 1 11 is 11. 2 11s are 22. Here 0.25 has 2 decimal places 2 times. So, multiply by 100 both numerator and denominator 2 times. So, h equal 11 into 11 into 7 into 100 into 100 divided by 2 into 0.25 into 0.25 into 100 into 100. H equal 11 into 11 into 7 into 100 into 100 by 2 into 25 into 25. Decimal points remove. Here the common factor is 25. 125 is 25. 4 25s are 100. Again 125 is 25. 4 25s are 100. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So h value is 6776 centimeter. So the height is 67.76 meter. Thank you children.